Feeling overwhelmed? Stressed? What if I told you that the ancient Stoics had a blueprint for finding peace, no matter how chaotic life gets? Today, we're walking the Stoic path to peace. Let's dive in. Here's the first step. Focus only on what you can control. Think about it. How much time do we waste worrying about things we can't change? Other people's opinions, the past, the future, or even the weather. Stoics remind us that the only thing truly in our control is our mind, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. So, ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, let it go. If it is, take action. This one shift can bring instant peace. Next up, acceptance. Life isn't always fair. Things will go wrong, people will disappoint you, and plans will fall apart. But here's the Stoic secret. Resistance creates suffering. When you fight reality, you lose peace. Instead, practice amor fati. Love your fate. Embrace what happens, good or bad, as an opportunity to grow. When you stop resisting and start accepting, you'll find a deep sense of calm, even in chaos. Now let's talk about gratitude. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus believed that gratitude is a shortcut to peace. Why? Because it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Every morning or night, take 2 minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as your health, a good meal, or even the air you breathe. Gratitude reminds you that life, even with its challenges, is still a gift. Finally, memento mori. Remember that you will die. This might sound dark, but it's incredibly liberating. When you remember that your time is limited, you stop wasting it on petty arguments, grudges, or distractions. You start focusing on what truly matters: your growth, your relationships, and your purpose. This practice brings clarity and peace because it helps you live intentionally every single day. So, there you have it, the Stoic path to peace. Focus on what you control, accept what you can't change, practice gratitude, and remember your mortality. Start applying these principles today and watch how they transform your life. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs peace, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, peace isn't the absence of chaos. It's the ability to stay calm within it. Stay stoic, my friends.